Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is surface area and volumes. And dear students, in that class we discuss some important questions and we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic volume, surface area and volumes. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important questions of your syllabus from your syllabus. Okay, now we take a very important chapter of your syllabus of your NCERT book. Let's see. A 20-meter deep well, this is very important question. A 20-meter deep well, a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meters, with diameter 7 meter, with diameter 7 meter, okay, with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from and the dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to evenly is spread out to is spread out to from a platform from from a platform from a platform 20 meter by 14 meter, sorry, 22 meter by 14 meter. Okay, find the height of the platform, find the height of the platform, find the height of the platform. Yes friends, this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus, so please concentrate on this question. This is one of the most important questions. Let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of questions? Let's see. Here, a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to the from platform 20 meter by 14 meter. Okay, find the height of the platform. So this students here 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. Okay, so now volume of the earth taken out of the well is equal to volume of the cylinder of radius 7 meter. Now so deep well is in the form of the cylinder. So let's see. So dear friends, here well is in the form of a cylinder for which radius is 7 by 2 meter and height is what, 20 meter. Okay, so our 20 meter deep well with diameter, this is done and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to a from a platform 20 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So the volume of the earth taken out from this deep well is equal to the volume of the earth taken out of the well. Okay, so now look. So first of all we find the volume of the earth taken out from the now. First of all we find volume of the earth taken out, volume of the earth taken out from the well. Now the volume of the earth taken out from the well is equal to volume of cylinder of radius 7 by 2 meter, of radius 7 by 2 meter and height 20 meter and height 20 meter. This is the concept of their key. The volume of the earth taken out from the well is equal to volume of cylinder of radius 7 by 2 meter and height what? 20 meter. Okay, now look. So you know the volume of cylinder pi r square into s, so 22 upon 7 r. R is what? This is 7 by 2. R square into h is what? This is 20. Now simplify this. 22 upon 7 into 49 4 into 27 7 cancel into 2 to the 4 2 10 the 22 by 10. This is 110 meter cube. In this way we find now look once more time here. This is 49 na? Oh, 7 7 are. Look, so into 7 also, into 7 into 7 7 0 0 7 7 7 7, so 770 meter cube. 770 meter cube. This is the volume of the earth taken out from the well. That is the volume of the cylinder of radius 7 by 2 meter and height 20 meter is what? This 770 meter cube. Let the height of the platform raised be s. Let the height of the platform raised be s. Let the height of the let the height of the platform raised be h dash. Okay, then volume of earth taken in platform, the volume of the earth in platform, that is volume of the earth in platform, then the volume of earth in platform. Thus volume of earth in platform is equal to volume of earth taken out from the well, taken out from the well. This is the concept of this question. In both the cases their volume will be same. So now the volume of earth in platform is what? 20 into 14, 22 into 14 into h dash is equal to, and we find the volume of the earth taken out from the well is 770, which we find now. This is we find. Okay, now so this is h dash is equal to 770 upon 22 into 14. So look, 7 11 7 the 11 2 is the, this is 35. Okay, now 7 2 the 5 5 by 2 yani 2.5 meter to find height. Thus in this way the height of the platform raised after that is what? Is 5 meter. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear friends, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Let's see once more time, dear students. Look here, A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter, okay, with a diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to from a platform 22 meter by 14 meter, okay. Find the height of the platform. Here, now look. So first of all, we find the volume of the earth taken out from the well is equal to the volume of the cylinder of this cylinder of height, because of our deep well is in the form of a what? Cylinder. So we apply that concept. Okay, so volume of the earth taken which is taken out from the well is equal to volume of cylinder of radius 7 by 2 meter and height 20 meter. Okay, now after that the earth which is taken out from the well is spread over a platform. So the volume of the earth in platform is equal to volume of the earth taken out from the dug. Now we using that concept now. Yes, so now after using that concept we get this relationship. Okay, and in this way we find value of h dash, which is what? 2.5. 2.5. Okay, now we take down out this one, we take and solve some other important questions. Based on these topics. Now look. Now, take a very important question. Now we take a very important question related to the chapter surface area and volume flow. Water flowing at the rate of water is flowing water is flowing at the rate of water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour. Water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe. Through a circular pipe of 20 centimeter internal internal diameter into a internal diameter into a circular cistern into a circular cistern of diameter 10 meter and depth 2 meter and depth 2 meter. Okay, so let's see once more time. Water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe, okay, of 20 centimeter, internal diameter into a circular cistern of diameter this and depth 2 meter. Think in how much time will the in how much time in how much time will the in how much time will the cistern be filled? Cistern be filled? Question mark. Now let's see the solution. Here, suppose. So first of all, let us take the cistern be filled in X hours. Let us take the cistern be filled in X hours. So here, water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe. Let's see, like that through a circular pipe, water is flowing, and a circular pipe of 20 cm diameter into a circular cistern, and a circular cistern are there. Okay, in that way, water is filled. Water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through circular pipe of diameter this, internal diameter into a circular cistern of diameter 10 meter and depth 2 meter. In how much time will the cistern is built? We find the time. So first of all, let the cistern be filled. Let the cistern be filled in X hours. Okay, and water is flowing, and the rate of water is and distance and the rate of water is 3 km per hour. That is the rate of water here. The rate of water is 3 km per hour. Now, thus length of water column in X hour. Then that is the length of water column in X hours. X hours is what? X into 3 km, X hour into 3 km per hour cancel. So this is 3x kilometer or 3x into 1000 meter, that is 3000 x meter. So first of all, length of the water column is what? 3000 x meter, in which water is flowing with the speed of 3 km per hour. Okay, so the length of water column is given out. Now clearly water column form as cylinder. So dear student, this water column is in the form of the cylinder in which the water is flowing. So it is clear that now it is clear that this water column is in the form of a cylinder of radius 10 centimeter, of radius 10 centimeter, of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, or 1/10 meter. Okay, in which the water is flowing. Okay, and height 3000 x meter, and height 3000 x meter. So in this way, he clearly the water column form a cylinder. Length of the water column, the water column form a cylinder. Okay, water column is in the form of cylinder of radius this and height this one, 33,000 x into x. Now, so first of all, we find that what volume of what we find? We find the volume of water. Now, thus volume water, volume of water that flows in the cistern, that flows in the cistern in x hours. In x hours is equal to what? Pi r square into h. We using this formula pi r square into h. So pi is what? Pi 22 upon 7. R square 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. Height is what? 3000 into x. 3000 into x meter cube. 3000 into x meter cube. Okay, dear friends. Now look. So thus the volume of the water that flows in the cistern in x hour is what? 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 3000 x. This is meter cube. Now, to volume, to since the cistern filled in x hour, now let's see. And so yes, 2 meter deep. Look, since the cistern filled in x hours, that is, since the cistern filled in x hours, that is volume of the water that flow in the cistern, that is volume of water that flows in the cistern in x hours is equal to the volume of cistern. Volume of cistern, ठीक है, volume of cistern. Now 2 meter deep ना, ओके, तो 10 मीटर डायमीटर 10 मीटर, रेडियस 5 हो जाएगी. ओके, तो thus first of all we find already volume of water that flow in the system in x hours is what? This is, now we put all the values, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 x is equal to volume of cistern by using the formula what? By r dash square into h. Here, since r dash is equal to 10 upon 2, that is 5, and h dash is equal to, this is 2 meter deep. This is given in our question, which is given, dear students, in our question. Now put the values. Look, so now 22 upon 7 into, now 0 0 0 0 cancel to each other, so 1, so 30 into x is equal to 5. This is 22 upon 7. R dash is equal to 5 into 5 into 2. Now 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel to each other, so x is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 upon 30. 5 6 is 2 3 is, यानी कि 5 upon 3. 3. 5 upon 3 hours. 5 upon 3 hours. Now, you know that in 1 hour, since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So first of all, we convert into the minutes. So 5 by 3 into 60 minutes. Okay, now 3 to the 0, 1. Okay, 2100 minutes. So 100 minutes is what? 1 hour 40 minutes. This is meaning that is what? 1 hour 40. Thus, in this way, thus the system will be filled in. Thus, the cistern. Thus, the cistern will be filled in. In 1 hour 40 minutes. This is the required solution of the given question. So this is the very important concept to solving that type of question. So please just do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we just revise them. First of all, in that question, it is given that ki water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe of diameter, the internal diameter 20 centimeter. Okay, and so first we take, and this water flows is into the, these waters goes into the cylindrical cistern. We find the how much time will the cistern be filled. So volume of water that flows in the cistern is always equal to the volume of the water in the cistern. Okay, this is the concept of this question. So first of all, we take let in x hour the cistern will be filled. So the length of water column that flows in the cistern is what? So the rate to it is clear length of the water column in x hours. So 3000 km per hour into x hour, because of we take as the cistern be filled in x hours. So from there we find the length of the column, water column, and also the internal diameter is given as 10 centimeter. So first we find the internal radius of the pipe in which the that water is flows. Okay, now so it is clear that length of the water column form a cylinder. The water column form a cylinder. The volume of water that flows in the cistern. Okay, so the water column forms a cylinder of radius is given and height is also u, length of 5.3000 x. So from there we find the volume of that water column which is flow in the cistern. Now after that, the volume of the water column in the cistern in x hour, then the volume of water that flows in the cistern in x hour is equal to water volume of the cistern of radius, क्योंकि internal diameter of the circular cistern is given as 10, so their radius will be what? 5, and height is already given as 2 meters. So from there, now to be applying that concept, and after simplify them we get our result. Okay, dear students. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take and solve very important questions of your syllabus. So please just do more and more practices of that type of questions and complete solve your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now, dear students, in next class we take and solve some other important questions of your syllabus based on surface area and volumes. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.